Hi, Pakistani! I teach you English to be translated to Tagalog so that you can communicate better with us Filipina. Okay? So first, how are you? In Tagalog, kumusta ka? I am fine. Mabuti ako. Ilang taon ka na? How old are you? Saan ka nakatira? Where do you live? Masaya ka ba? Are you happy? Kasal ka na ba? Are you married? You are beautiful. Maganda ka. So for now, Pakistanis, that is your lesson for today. I'll teach you again tomorrow. See you then. Bye.